Hi, I'm Jeannie Lee, the Executive Vice President of the MCA of Metro Washington. Over the past several months, we've worked hard to put together a new website that serves our members as we enter into our 125th year as the Mechanical Contractors Association of Metro Washington. You spoke, we listened. You asked for a user-friendly, easy-to-navigate, up-to-date, well-maintained central location, and we built it for you. And you can easily register for training classes, confirm meetings, or get caught up on the latest legislative issues from D.C., Annapolis, or Richmond. It's a one-stop shop, providing you with all the information about this association. We've added a news report section to keep you abreast of the latest trends, an up-to-date calendar, membership lists, information on our 125th anniversary, even a weather bug, and the latest newsfeed from the Washington Business Journal. Plus, we provided your favorite social media links to valuable resources like the MCAA, the UA, and to other MCA-MW members, all at your fingertips. In addition to the business at hand, we've also included a blog posting where you'll get information from either me or the MCA-MW president on issues that affect your day-to-day business. We welcome your comments and suggestions. Please let us know if you'd like to add a segment, make a change, or give a shout out on something you liked. We'd love to hear from you.